So what are the knowledge and skills which are needed for managing resources and supporting the efficiency? For example, there is an individual. Now you understand him to be a having a green skill and going to do a green job. So we are thinking about a green economy, green growth. So for example, green building he is going to make. What are the knowledge and skill is required? Because economy is today in a different way and we have to change it. So what is the purpose of these green skills and what are the knowledge and skills needed for this green economy? Let us see that. So first thing is managing the natural resources. So in order to manage natural resources, what are the skills required? For example, this gentleman, he need to or he has the capability of assessing, auditing and finding the environmental impact, that is the consequence of whatever we are doing. What will be the effect in the future? Then he must know the design and different technologies being adopted that will reduce the consumption of the present natural resources, because those natural resources which are limited, they will die. And see, India has a constitution, so every industry is run by certain laid down rules. So in order to understand the legislation and the guidelines for sustainable utilization of natural resources, he must have that knowledge. So all these standard operating procedure he must know, because now it is clear, these are laid down, it is not a new thing now. Second thing comes is supporting the climate resilience. That is, how the climate is going to change, what are the models, what are the predictions, what is the statistics, what are the graphs, what is going to be, what is today, what it is going to be, right? So there is a number 2. We don't want our global warming or the heat should rise beyond that. And also he has to take the strategies or risk management strategies he has to develop, because the resource availability, what is going to be in the future. So one has to take strong decision and risk management strategies also to be adopted. And the resilience means the climate is going to change and we want this climate to change as little as possible. Because of human consequences, because of what all we are doing, we need resilience. Support resource efficiency, the purpose of this and the knowledge required, that is, all the business models which are being made has to be resource efficient. They are not using the resources heavily. And then to develop and adopt technologies that will maximize the resource utilization, that is least waste, maximum output. Then the low carbon industry, as I said, the problem is carbon dioxide. If it increases up to certain level, all these snow glaciers will melt and all the low lying areas will come under water. So to develop technologies that promote the renewable energy resources or sources like the wind, water and solar, and also to design and adopt technologies and products that will minimize the carbon emissions. So this is the support to low carbon industry and these are the skills required.